Use the following rules to fill in the table with missing values. When given an original number, round to the nearest 10 and 100. When given a rounded number, fill in the original number with a possible value. So I know that if it's rounded to the nearest 10, it has to end in a 0 and a 0, because 10s end in zeros. If it's rounded to the nearest 100, it needs to end in a double 0, because hundreds have double zeros. 754. When rounded to the nearest 10, I know there are 75 tens. 4 would be closer to 75 than 76, so it would be 750. Rounded to the nearest 100, 754 is over 750, so it would round to 800. Let's look at the next one. If it's rounded to the nearest 10, and also rounded to the nearest 100 would be 300, it has to be less than 350, but more than 345. So it can be 354 or through 300 and that's wrong. It has to be less than 350, but it has to also round to 350 when rounded to the nearest 10. So it would be 345 to 349. Okay, this one, 510. If it's rounded to the nearest 100, it's closer to 500 than to 600, and it can be any number from 506 to 514. And then this one of 982, rounded to the nearest 10. If I have 98 tens, it's closer to 98 than to 99, so 980. Rounded to the nearest 100 would be 1,000.